Hello, thanks for watching. I think we're on day 6 update today. If you've been following along, I really appreciate it. If it's your first time, thanks for joining. Feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, click the little bell so you get updates. I'm doing 30 days of updates on how I make money online, showing you what I do, my thought process, and kind of where I'm going, some strategies and whatnot. So, again, we're in my Fiverr account. That's where we start because that's where I'm still doing most of my online work. As you can see, I delivered 3 different orders today. How many is that? 6, 7, 8 orders in August already. So I got, some good money that is pending clearance. Right now they're $724 pending clearance. I can take out almost $1,000. I still got gigs worth almost $1,400 that I'm working on here. So that's the Fiverr update. Now, what I wanted to share with you and talk about today is how important it is to have your own product. So affiliate marketing is really great, and it's a good way to definitely start making money online. Because with affiliate marketing, there's actually a lot of ways to do it where you don't need your own website. You don't necessarily need an email list. You don't need to have your own product. You don't need to provide any kind of support. You don't need to deal with customers, anything like that. So those are that's a lot of the beauty of affiliate marketing. And what you want to go ahead and do is, learn how to do affiliate marketing because that's very important. But at the same time, it's also really important to have your own product. Because if you have your own product, and when I say product, I mean that could be a training course, it could be software, it could be a business, etc. But if you have your own product, then you're going to be in control, and you're not relying on someone else and their product and the quality of service that they provide and the customer support that they provide, etc. And when you have products that are out there for sale, then you always have opportunity to be making money for yourself. And usually that also involves then building an email list for yourself. And having an email list is really important because then you can develop a good relationship with your email list. You can email them information, training, treat your email list well. And then when you have something that you want to promote, a product, etc., to make affiliate commission off sales, then you're going to be more likely to be successful if your folks trust you. Now, the biggest concern a lot of people have in trying to get their own product is, how do I do it? It can seem overwhelming, but there's really some nice ways that you can kind of shortcut that whole process in getting your own product. One of them we talked about in a previous video is private label right products. So I just went to Google, put in high quality PLR. So lots of good websites, come up. And again, PLR means private label rights. Someone has done the work for you. They've created an ebook, a video course, a training, a software, a WordPress plugin. They've created something, and they're giving you the rights to sell it as though it's your own, as though you did it. Usually that allows you to put your name on it, to rebrand it if you want, to completely change it, to edit it. A lot of times the text content is great because you can take that and you can turn that into an email series. You can turn that into newsletters, into blog articles, and you can do a lot with that. You can turn that text content into videos to upload onto YouTube. And again, it makes you look like you're an authority because you have your own product. Now, the reason I went to Google and put in high quality PLR is because there can be a lot of junk PLR out there. So you do want to make sure it's something that is good, the grammar, is done well. You just want to make sure it's good quality, nice graphics, that type of thing. You do not want to get junky stuff that makes you look bad. Now, another way that I use a lot to get your own products that you can then take advantage of is many people people who are product creators, when they come up with a new product, again, it could be a training course, software, etc., they usually have a launch to try to make a bunch of sales at one time. It's usually entered at a lower price point, and to make it attractive, affiliates try to take advantage of that special launch pricing, and many times what they'll do is they'll offer bonuses. Now, so basically meaning, hey, if you buy this new product through my affiliate link, then I'm going to include these bonuses. And those bonuses, could be anything. Sometimes it's just things for you to use. It's additional training or other software, complementary, or software that complements the main product that's for sale, etc. But a lot of times people throw in things that you can use as yourself. Now, they might get called, PLR, private label rights. A lot of times they'll get called white label, meaning you can change it and make it your own. Sometimes it'll be called agency, but there's different terminology, but they all mean you can do what you want. So, easy way to look for I think we've gone to this website before, muncheye.com. It's kind of a launch calendar for people that are having product launches coming up. And so when you come on here, on the left side, these are all kind of big names. These are all people that are kind of big in the space with their launches coming up. And then this is everything, so it's the big names plus everybody else. And it's just in date order. The affiliate platform, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, those are the two main ones. Here's pay.com. You might see some on ClickBank every once in a while, etc. Here's a ClickBank one over here. And so what some people will do is they'll come in here and they'll see what is, launching. They might look at something that's coming up, and then if it's something that's attractive, when it's getting ready to launch, so maybe you come on here, like I'm going to use an example and use one. This one just came out today, this Cartel. It's a training course with software about using YouTube ads. Well, if you see that, hey, that's going to come out today, if you're on different email lists, you're probably going to get a bunch of emails about it, and everyone's going to be saying, hey, make sure you get my bonuses. And so then you can do what's called bonus shopping. You can see what different people are offering in their bonuses to see, is it something that's going to help you in your business? Because you don't want just a bunch of junk as bonuses, which is sometimes what people offer. You want something that's going to be of value. And honestly, sometimes I've bought products because a lot of times these products, they're being sold for $7, $10, $12, $15, maybe $20, and the bonuses are worth more than the actual product. And sometimes I don't even want the product. I want the bonuses, because they give me some kind of rights, or they might complement something else that I'm doing. And so again, and it may sound like a broken record because I've said this a few different times on different videos, but you got to be thinking, how does this help my business? Not just, hey, this is really cool, and I'll get to it someday, so I'll put it aside. Because what happens? Someday never comes. You never get to it. You forget about it. So you need to make sure you're looking. So if you go onto YouTube, I just put in Cartel review. So look, you can see all these reviews about this product. Okay, and what's pretty much everybody doing? Full demo with bonuses. My tailor-made bonuses. Don't buy without my custom bonuses. Custom bonus package. See what I'm saying? Everyone's got these exclusive bonuses. And sometimes they are truly exclusive, and sometimes that's just a bunch of hype they use to try to get you to buy through them. But again, if you're looking at something, and a lot of times, again, when these big launches come out, even if it's not something that I'm really interested in at all, I'll look at it just to see what are they offering for bonuses, and are those things I can use, because it'll give me something that I can use to sell as my own product, or because it'll give me something that'll help me. Maybe they're offering, for example, the other day, there was some PLR that came out about juicing, and the health niche, right? And, the PLR product itself was fine, and it was selling for $10. But the person I follow, who's another PLR seller and does really good work with his PLR, he was offering another 30 articles. And so, the main product itself had 10, and he was offering another 20. So now I have 30 articles, all in the juicing category, where I can go ahead and, create a blog about juicing if I want. I could, turn those into videos and put them up on a YouTube channel. So these are different things that I'm looking at doing with all these articles. Now, another gentleman was selling that same juicing PLR, but in his bonus was a website that he made that you could then turn around and sell. Either use it for yourself, because he had taken those articles and he had made a website, and he gave you the files for that website, so you could upload it to your own domain and hosting. You could use that website in your own business, or you could sell those. That is some of what I do on Fiverr. I buy these websites that are pre-done, they're pre-made. I can go sell that website on Fiverr for $50 all day long. People buy it for $50. And all I got to do then is go upload it to their domain and hosting, change it, put in their affiliate links, and it's done. So those are the kind of things to look for, is how can I use this in my own business? How can I get a product for myself? Is this something I can resell? Is this something I can sell on a freelance site like Fiverr? That type of thing. All right, I hope this helped. And again, if you liked the videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know. If you find these helpful, let me know things you'd like to learn, and I can make sure I do a video on that as well. Thanks so much.